My favorite dude, Luis. What's up?
Oh, yeah, Yusuf. I can't chat right now. You mind if I borrow your chopper?
No,
Which
not.
one, man? I got a fleet.
The special one. The one with all that
Nah,
military
please,
shit.
no, not another.
Of course, bro. It's practically yours anyway. And you love what I've done with Al.
Please, not another helicopter mission. Oh, what? Oh, that's not fair. That's not fair. That's not fair. Okay. Hold on. Gotta figure this out. How do I want to do this? What if I... Okay, I gotta lean forward now. And descend. And lower. Lean. No! Follow. Lean. Air. Okay, good. Good. Just lean. Just lean slightly. Catch up to them. Lean a bit. A little bit of air. Go down a bit. Lean a bit. A little bit of air. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Higher. Why? Why? This is the checkpoints. Come on. Oh my God. I don't know what I'm doing. Come on. Let's get out. Wait, what? Whoa. See ya.
Have fun in there.
You gotta remind me why I'm doing that.
Oh, what? Are you kidding me?